In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quick custom product images for your Shopify store using AI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by choosing the right tool for your needs. Popular options include apps from the Shopify App Store or built-in AI features in your Shopify dashboard. Pick an app that lets you train a model on your own product photos. Installation is usually a one-click process from the App Store. And once installed, it will guide you to connect to the product catalog in your store. Next, train the AI so it understands your specific product. Open the app and select the product you want to create images for. Upload at least 4 to 5 high-quality photos that show only the product against a plain background. Avoid photos with models, props, or busy backgrounds, because the AI needs clear, unobstructed views to learn shape, texture, and color accurately. Give your AI model a descriptive name so you can find it later, and choose a training speed. Longer training typically yields better fidelity and fewer artifacts, so if you have time, select the slower option. Once training is complete, it's time to generate images. Write a concise prompt that describes the scene you want. For example, a leather bag on a vintage wooden table in a cafe. If you prefer a faster route, many apps offer predefined themes such as studio, cafe, or outdoor, which are useful for consistent results. Click Generate and allow the system a few moments to produce several options. Review the variations to identify which compositions match your brand and product personality. After images are created, refine them directly inside the app. Choose your favorite outputs and use available editors to resize, reposition the product, or remove minor blemishes. These built-in tools are handy for aligning images to Shopify's recommended dimensions and for ensuring a clean look across your listings. When you're satisfied with an image, use the Add to Product Listing function to push the edited photo straight to your Shopify product page, replacing or supplementing existing images without manual downloads and uploads. Finally, repeat the process to build variety. Generate lifestyle shots, contextual scenes, and alternate angles so your listings tell a richer story and help shoppers visualize the product in real life. With this workflow, you'll create affordable, consistent visuals that elevate your product pages and speed up content production for your store.